Hello, hello, hello. It's been a bit. I've been a little busy, but I'm in my truck. We still got a little bit of work to do on it before we got it up and running and moving, but that doesn't mean I can't bring you guys great content. And so if you're sitting in the driver's seat, first things first is always recognize when you need to adjust your seat. So many times we just accept the fact that, oh, this is how my seat is. Do you need a back support? I recommend back shield. I'm bringing mine over to the truck here tomorrow, but also just make sure you adjust the seat back as well as the bottom of the seat so that your hip is as open as possible and your back is comfortably upright so that your spine is in a slightly S-curved shape, especially in that lower back. So the lower back is slightly arched. Once you have that, let's just play a little bit with the seat, using the seat to help you open up your chest, open up your shoulders. Now, this is not something that you're going to do driving, but right before you head out on the road, try this quick little hack. So sitting nice and tall, I'm going to take one hand and reach for the headrest behind you. Now, I'm actually holding on to the steering wheel here in front of me. And then when you're ready, take a nice deep breath in, pull your elbow back. Do you see how my elbow is dropping down? And I can feel my shoulder blade pulling in towards my spine. And as I do that, I'm going to sit upright and try to bring my elbow as far back as I can. Now, for some of you, that type of kind of external rotation is really hard. Why? Because you're stuck in this position. So I'm sitting upright. I'm using the steering wheel with a little bit of leverage. I'm trying not to push my ribs forward, and I'm pulling that elbow back. Step 2, I'm going to look over the other shoulder. And then step 3, try to turn your chest, relax that opposite shoulder. I'm going to turn my chest, pull my belly in, turn my chest, and still try to look the other way. Now I can feel this through my lower back. I can feel this through my mid rib cage, front and back, if you're a little stiff there. And I can feel this right down kind of the scalings of my neck as I try to look over my shoulder. So again, I'm trying to turn my chest, but not take my head with, and just hold and breathe. Kind of a wonky stretch, but really great for mobility in the spine. And then reverse that. Just take a moment for yourself, roll the shoulders. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Grab for the headrest, pull my elbow wide. This shoulder is a little bit tighter for me. And open without popping the ribs. Use the steering wheel. And then I'm going to rotate my chest. Belly pulls in. So I'm sitting tall, belly pulls in. I can feel this in my lower back rotating this way because I don't turn enough this way. And then as I rotate my chest, relax that free shoulder down. I'm going to rotate my neck the other way. So I'm literally wringing out my spine. And I really can notice in my neck, try not to tip, that looking over my right shoulder, I can feel the stretch more on both sides of my neck than when I turn it to the left. So nice deep breath in, nice deep breath out, pushing that elbow against the seat behind you, and just nice calm breathing. And then slowly unwind. Now that unwinding may actually be a little bit more challenging than actually the rotation of the stretch itself. You will recognize how stiff your body is, how stiff your tissues are once you unwind from the stretch. So just be sweet to yourself. That's a great notification in your brain. Make that a core memory that you need to rotate your spine more, not just your shoulders, but notice in the areas of the body that you don't rotate well. We tend to overuse the areas that are really mobile, leaving what's above and below stiff, stuck, and oftentimes what's leading you closer towards injury instead of closer towards freedom. Check out Mother Trucker Yoga for more videos just like this. And also don't forget to hit that follow button, and we will see you guys soon. Peace out.